Really excited about my speech at the IOD. I'm going to cover two aspects. One is what to do with any surplus cash you might have in terms of investing for a return in both private companies, how to evaluate them, find them, make your life easier, and public companies. So investing in stock market companies, whether it might be technology companies in the United States or UK companies. Given that you run a business, you should be able to evaluate other businesses, and I'll show you the tools and the tips for doing that as a professional fund manager myself. And then separately, with my government hat on as a deal maker for the Department for International Trade, I'll go through how you find investment in this environment. How do you pitch it? How do you find the right source of investment, whether it's loans, grants, equity investment, or should it be down the crowdfunding route or all the way up to the venture capital route? And how do you approach that? How do you create the right pitch? How do you make the whole process seamless? And all the websites which give that information drilled right down to which ones would be relevant for your size and scale of business, who are the contact people. So it's very practical what I'm going to give, and the only big problem will be how do I cram all that information into a short space of time. Look forward to meeting you.